is huge. Did you know the world is huger than planes? It's huger than planes, Dad.
Than the planes?
Yeah.
Alright, now that I showed you.
You mean the plane we're in?
Yeah.
It is big, huh?
It's bigger than all the planes. What is that orange stuff over there?
That's the color of the sun when it's the sunlight off the clouds.
That means it's behind the world.
Yep.
You silly. Wait, that's what I saw when it was nighttime when we were going to Grandma's house.
Yep.
Whoa, look at all that snow. Look at all that snow, Dad.
Lots of snow down there, huh?
Dad, what if you saw snow in the water?
What if you saw snow in the water?
Yeah, you only see icebergs in the water, not snow.
And ladies and gentlemen, you may now use approved portable electronic devices in the non-transmitting mode, please.
What is a crude, Dad?
Very shortly, it will be my pleasure to come through the cabin and offer you our beverage service. We have an assortment of complimentary beverages, and in addition, we have beer, wine, and cocktails available.
Drinks now.
Liquor or wine selections are $7 each, beer $6 each. We are now cashless. We are able to accept only your major credit cards for onboard purchases.